In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Razer Viper Mini software. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to go to the search button up top right, and you want to type in Razer Viper Mini, okay? When you type that in, press enter on your keyboard to search, and then there we go. You want to switch over to support, and then here you'll be able to see there's going to be a bunch of different articles over here inside support, and you simply want to click on any of these. So, for example, this one where it says Razer Viper Mini support and FAQs, click on it. And then over here, you'll be able to click on drivers and downloads here on the left, and this will allow you to basically download everything which is connected to the Razer Viper Mini. So you have like the firmware, stuff like that, and some firmware updaters and things like this. So we can, of course, get this if you need it. But if you actually want the official software, which is going to work for every single thing that is actually connected to Razer, you want to go to PC up top, hover over it, scroll down over here on the left, and click on software. And from here, you want to click on where it says Razer Synapse. Now, inside Razer Synapse, as you can see, it's going to allow you to customize and control all your Razer devices from one powerful platform. So just download it for either Windows or Mac, and then click on the button. It's going to download. Click on it to open up. Then it's going to open up the Razer window over here. There we go. And then in here, you can just click on where it says Razer Synapse 4. Click on install top right. And when you do that, it's going to, of course, require a few minutes to install this. Then you can just open it up. You can connect it to your Razer Viper Mini. And then you can, of course, go and customize your mouse in there. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.